LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com. Select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the cover. Unplug the cable. Remove the screws. Gently pry out the hard drive. Remove the screws from the hard drive caddy. We will now install the new hard drive. Place the screws back in. Plug the cable back in. Snap the plastic cover back in place. Place the screws back in. That's all. You just replaced your laptop hard drive. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.